Hi there, data analysis. What is it about? In this lesson, I will take you through what data analytics actually is. What does data analytics actually look like in action, and how is it used in real world? And also 5 steps a data analyst will take when approaching a new project. So let's get started. What data analysis actually is. Most companies collect data all the time, which includes customer information, order, sales, etc. But these data are in their raw form and doesn't mean anything. This is where data analytics comes in. Data analysis is the process of analyzing raw data so that we can pull out insights. This insight is super important to drive smart decisions or research findings. What a data analyst does is to take all this complex piece of data and turn it into something you can really use. Having interpreted the data analyst can now pass the insight on so as to make most informed decisions. So you can think of data analytics as a tool used to solve problems that a company has or to validate research findings. It's all about finding patterns in data which can tell you something useful or relevant about business operations or research data. For instance, how customers engage with a particular product or employee engage with a particular tool. Armed with the insight of data, companies are then able to make better decisions about their audience as a whole and the industry in which they work in. What does data analytics actually look like in action, and how is it used in real world? The fact is, data is everywhere, so it actually has an infinite amount of uses across all kinds of businesses and organizations globally. Broadly speaking, data analytics is used to make a faster and better decisions. In more specific terms, data analytics might be used to do the following: to predict future sales or purchasing behavior for security purposes to help and protect against fraud, to analyze the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, to boost customer acquisition and retention, and to increase supply chain efficiency. So that gives you a little bit of what data analytics can be used for in the real world. 5 main steps a data analyst will take when approaching a new project. Number 1, define the questions you want to answer. You need to ask, why are you conducting this analysis, and what questions and answers you need to find. At this stage, you will take a clearly defined problem, and then you will make a hypothesis or research question that you can go on and answer. You will then need to identify what types of data you will need, but importantly, where it will come from. For instance, a business problem might be that the customers aren't subscribing to a paid membership once that free trial ends. Your key questions can then be, what kind of strategy can the business implement to retain their customer base? Number 2, collect data. Data analysts would actually gather data from sources or internal data that the company already has, such as CRM software or email marketing tools. They may turn to secondary or external sources, such as open data sources. This can include data from government portals, tools like Google Trends, but also data from international organizations like World Health Organizations. Number 3, clean the data. Once you got that data, you need to prepare it and ready it for analysis. Your original data might include duplicates, anomalies, or missing data, which could distort how the data is interpreted. All these need to be removed. Data cleaning is a manual task and it can take some time, but it is crucial if you want to get the right business insights. Number 4, analyze the data. How you analyze the data will depend on the kind of questions you are asking and the kind of data that you are working with, but some common techniques include regression analysis, cluster analysis, time series analysis, to name a few. Number 5, interpret and share the results. The final step in this process is where data is turned into valuable insight. Depending on the type of analysis conducted, you will present your findings in a way that others can understand in the form of a chart or a graph. For example, at this stage, you will be able to say what data analysis actually shows you in regards to your initial question or problem statement, and you will collaborate with key stakeholders on how to move forward. Skills you need: mathematical and statistical ability, knowledge of programming languages such as R, Python, SQL, and Oracle, knowledge of data analytics package such as Excel, SPSS, Power BI, or Tableau. Analytical mindset, keen problem-solving skills, excellent communication skills. So this is a short overview of what data analysis is and what it entails. So in the subsequent lessons, we are going to delve into more insight into data analysis. Thank you.